Morning everyone, in this video I'm going to try something a bit different. I'm going to do a sort of gigging vlog of my day. If it goes well I may do a series of different vlogs. It might possibly give you an interesting perspective on the gigging side of things. Hopefully I'll give you some tips as well on what sort of basses and what sort of gear I use in different situations. Let me know what you think of the video, if I can make it more interesting, if there's something else I can do in the vlogs. So today I'm playing in the jazz room of the Albert Hall, and for those of you who don't know, it's a pretty iconic venue, had some really famous people playing there over the years. So we're going to be playing the music from the Charlie Brown Christmas film. They're doing a viewing of the film first, and then we're going to be playing the music. And it's quite popular here over Christmas time in the States and in Canada. I didn't actually know about this film before, but it's really nice. It's a really nice Christmas film, and the music's great. It's by the Vince Guaraldi trio, and it's all jazz stuff. So it's yeah, it's fantastic music. Well, I best get in the car, and hopefully I'll do some footage of the rehearsal and take some photos to show you. So we're just setting up now. I'm using my Tom Martin double bass for the gig. It's a really nice double bass I had made for me. I had it made about 3 years ago, so the sound's still opening up. If you've got a brand new instrument, it takes a while for the wood to really settle in. I mean, that's why really old instruments go for such a price. I've got two pickups on the double bass. I've got a realist pickup which fits underneath one of the feet of the bridges, and I've got an Erland pickup. And both the pickups go for my radial tone bone preamp. And I can blend them both in there and change EQ and things like that. Then I'm going for a Gallien-Kruger combo. The volume will be fairly light today. I'm also in the PA, so a speaker of this size should be fine. And we've got Dan Mullins on drums and Jason Frederick on piano. He put the whole thing together. Okay, so we're going to do a bit of a sound check now.
Or a chorus, as it were.
Sure.
And then after that, I'll ask you, Jason, first, and then you, Dan, and then you, Greg.
Great.
If you've got any amendments for the monitors.